Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council takes major step to protect natural resources, announces ban on mining and supply of sand. AASU resumes anti-CAA protest in Bokota. Hello viewers, welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, your visually baby with the latest news of the day. Now the news in detail. In a major and big move taken to protect the resources of the district and to prevent the illegal mining and supply of sand, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on Friday issued a notification putting a temporary ban on the sand mining activities. The decision was taken in response to the report submitted by the Divisional Forest Officer, Karbi Anglong East Division, Depot in connection with riverbed sand mining during this monsoon season, which has resulted in large-scale erosion in the river banks, causing severe damages to the rural roads during the rainy season. The move is also seen as an effort to stop further damages in keeping the guidelines given in the mining plan and SOPs laid down in the Environmental Impact Assessment Notification 2006. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has thus suspended riverbed mining and ordered halt of any movement and transportation of sand-laden vehicles to Dimapur via Lahorijan NH36, Dimapur via Lahorijan NH39, via Dhansiri till further order. It has also been informed that this order comes with immediate effect. Bikram Crow from Depot, Karbi Anglong Live. The spread of coronavirus in the Hill district of Assam continued on a worrying level as the number of total infected persons in Karbi Anglong had risen to 417 till Friday. The information was shared by KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang through social media platforms. 5 fresh cases of the virus were reported from West Karbi Anglong yesterday, raising the tally to 417. Of the 417 cases, 175 cases are still active, while 238 persons have recovered so far. No new deaths have been reported this week, with the number fortunately halted at 4 till now. In Assam, 126 persons have died so far from the disease, while 37,224 persons have recovered. On the other hand, India has crossed 2 million mark in the total cases of COVID-19. At least 30 to 40,000 cases are reported daily on average basis, and daily breaking its own record of single-day spike. On Thursday alone, 50,000 plus cases were reported from the country. More than 41,000 persons have succumbed to the virus so far. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. The All Assam Students Union Hanjang Langso branch had resumed its protest against the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. The organization began their demonstration protests at 11 a.m. on Friday. The demonstration was attended by AASU Hanjang Langso branch President Ritu Kalita, Secretary Pradeep Datta, AASU KADC President Arnob Jyoti Kakoti, Secretary Biswajit Bora, Mahila Samiti and several other supporters. The organization says that protests were halted due to the outbreak of the pandemic. However, at present, saying the BJP-led government taking several silent steps which have disappointed the people of Assam, the AASU had resumed the protest. The students' body severely condemned the BJP-led government for their indifference towards the demands and aspirations of the people. They also criticized the government for not reconsidering matter even after people have died and hundreds imprisoned in protest against the act.
ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে আমাৰ সম্পদৰ ওপৰত থকা অধিকাৰ যেহেতু চৰকাৰে কাহিনীব বিচাৰিছে, ইয়াক আমি তীব্ৰ গৰিহণা দিছোঁ আৰু অনাগত দিনত যাতে তেওঁলোকে এনে ধৰণৰ কাম নকৰে, জনসাধাৰণ যাতে এনে ধৰণৰ স্থিতি নিপিন্ধে তাৰ বাবে আমি হুঁকিয়াই দি গৈছোঁ, অন্যথা কিন্তু 2021 ভয়ংকৰ পৰিস্থিতিৰ সৃষ্টি হ'ব।
56জন ছাত্ৰ মৃত্যুমুখত পৰাৰ পাছতো অসমৰ যি কাৰ ইয়াৰ এইবিলাক প্ৰয়োগ কৰিছে কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰ আৰু ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰে মিলিত হৈ ক'ব নোৱাৰাকৈ এনেকৈ অসমৰ সকলোখিনি মানুহক দোষ দি যিখন আইন জাপি দিব বিচাৰিছে আমি তাক কোনো পক্ষে মানিব নোৱাৰোঁ আৰু এই মানিবলৈ যোৱা যিবিলাক বন্ধুবৰ্গ আছে তেওঁলোককো আমি হকিয়াই দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ ইয়াৰ পৰাই।
During today's protest demonstration, the AASU had also raised their voice against the Environment Impact Assessment or EIA 2020, which have been allegedly seen as a very detrimental steps by the government. Anantarang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another fire accident that occurred in the district, one house in Ram-Inghi village, 7th mile, Manja, was completely gutted by fire due to the electric short circuit. The incident took place at around 5:30 p.m. on Friday evening. The fire grew so big that before the fire brigade team could arrive, the house was totally destroyed. The house, which was destroyed by the inferno, belonged to Sarsing Bay, a resident of Ram-Inghi village under Manja police station. All belongings of the family kept inside the house, including several documents and cash amounting to more than rupees 30,000, had been lost in the fire. Fortunately, no casualty has been reported and no one had sustained any injury. On Friday, Dhansiri constituency VDC chairman Andrew Rongpi visited the victim family and provided basic relief materials to the affected family. Vijay Rongpi from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Stay safe and thanks for being watching Karbi Anglong Live.